Welcome to The Explainer. So glad you're here, because today we are looking at something, well, honestly, it's incredibly unique. Usually when we think about health, we completely compartmentalize it, right? We put our mental or spiritual well-being in one box and our physical fitness in another. But today, we're diving into a really fascinating application that completely bridges that gap. It's called the Daily Wisdom Workout Tracker. We're going to walk through exactly how this tool blends ancient spiritual grounding right alongside the rigorous demands of modern physical fitness tracking. Just take a second and think about this quote, pulled straight from the application's source material. "Commit thy works unto the Lord, and thy thoughts shall be established." You know, instead of opening up a fitness app and just instantly getting bombarded by aggressive metrics or those glaring red progress bars, this tracker starts your day off with a foundation of calm, ancient wisdom. It literally sets your intention before you ever even pick up a weight. All right, here is our roadmap for today. 1. Body and spirit united. 2. Daily spiritual foundation. 3. Structured workout routines. 4. Tracking volume and macros. And finally, 5. Cross-platform accessibility. Let's jump right in.
Section 1. Body and Spirit United. We'll be exploring the creator's vibe coding philosophy here, prioritizing an intuitive user experience and holistic vision.
So we've got this perfect duality going on. On one side, there's daily wisdom. That's all about focusing the mind and spirit using verses from the book of Proverbs. Then, right alongside it, the workout tracker, focusing the body through specific lifts and nutritional macros. The interface is just elegantly designed to balance these two halves. It doesn't overwhelm you with numbers, and it definitely doesn't preach at you. It simply places them side by side, acknowledging that true health, well, that requires focusing on both your physical output and your mental clarity.
Moving to Section 2. Daily Spiritual Foundation.
Okay, imagine opening your phone or your laptop right before a really grueling workout. Right at the very top of your screen, you're greeted with this exact quote from the app's internal library. "Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore get wisdom, and with all thy getting, get understanding." It is such a powerful motivational framing. It's a quick reminder that, hey, while building physical strength is obviously important, gaining wisdom and understanding is the ultimate principal pursuit. Now, you might be wondering, am I just going to read the exact same verse every single day? No way. Under the hood, the app actually uses a really clever, straightforward mathematical mechanism to automatically rotate the verse. Basically, it looks at the current day of the month and pulls a corresponding proverb from its internal list. This means you are always getting a fresh perspective and a brand new piece of wisdom to chew on, seamlessly matching up with the date on the calendar.
All right, Section 3. Structured workout routines?
So, your spirit is grounded, your mind is focused, now it's time to actually hit the iron. And let's be honest, a workout tracker is really only as good as the routines it supports, right? Well, the versatility here is fantastic. For the fully equipped gym goers, you've got a routine like the Gym PPL Full 1. We're talking leg press, pec deck butterfly, cable rows, preacher curls, the whole shebang. But what if you're grinding it out in a garage gym? No problem. It pivots right over to Home Full 1 with trap bar deadlifts, barbell overhead presses, and the ab wheel. It caters entirely to your specific environment, making sure that whether you've got access to commercial machines or just some basic free weights at home, your routine is totally locked in. And while you're crushing those routines, the app is quietly working away in the background, tracking two absolutely vital metrics: your session lifts and your total volume. Tracking these specific data points is exactly what gives you that tangible sense of physical progression. You're not just kind of guessing if you're getting stronger anymore. You can actually look back and see the exact weight you moved and the total volume you hit over time.
Which brings us perfectly to Section 4, tracking volume and macros.
Because, let's face it, you can't really increase that workout volume without the proper fuel. Nutritionally, this app tracks 4 specific elements through its macro totals feature: protein, carbs, fat, and overall calories. We all know you can't out-train a bad diet, and you definitely can't build strength without the right building blocks. So by seamlessly integrating these 4 crucial data points into the daily log right alongside your workouts, the application completely closes that physical health loop.
And that holistic loop? It comes together perfectly. This is the entire user journey we've been talking about. The Proverbs provide that daily spiritual focus. That focus drives your motivation for the physical output, whether you're at the gym or at home. And then, that physical output demands the nutritional fuel, which is all carefully tracked. It all just weaves together into one really cohesive daily experience.
Moving on to our final piece, Section 5, Cross-Platform Accessibility. Of course, an app that's this integrated into your daily routine needs to be able to travel with you everywhere. Because the creator really prioritized that user-centric vibe coding vision we talked about earlier, they made absolutely sure this tool wasn't just trapped on a single device. So it starts as a local desktop experience, which is perfect for planning out your week on a big monitor. Then, using tools like Beware and Briefcase, the application is packaged up. And finally, it's built and deployed natively for Android or iOS. It literally moves straight from your desktop right into your pocket so it can hit the gym with you. So, what does this actually mean for you, the user? Well, it means seamless JSON data storage, so your logs are always safe. It means custom app icon support, making the tool feel like a native premium application right there on your phone's home screen. And it means incredibly fluid scaling. Whether you're reading your daily proverb on a massive 27-inch desktop monitor or tracking a heavy trap bar deadlift on a little 6-inch mobile screen, the experience is totally uninterrupted. You never, ever lose access to your wisdom or your data.
So I want to leave you with this to chew on. How do you currently balance your mental focus with your physical training? Are they totally separate in your life, or are they united? The Daily Wisdom Workout Tracker absolutely proves that technology can actually help us merge the two, bringing some much-needed ancient wisdom to modern fitness. If this holistic approach to tracking, built with pure user vision and vibe coding, resonates with you, I highly encourage you to reach out and contact the creator to learn more about this project. Thank you so much for joining me on The Explainer today, and I will see you next time.